Hello! In today's video, we shall learn in detail about planaria. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding about the external features of planaria, its internal structure, digestive system, excretory system, nervous system, reproductive system, and also about its power of regeneration. Let us begin with the external features of planaria. Planaria are soft-bodied, free-living flatworms of the class Turbellaria and phylum Platyhelminthes. They are elongated, bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, and dorsoventrally flattened. They have an organ level of organization. They lack circulatory, skeletal, and respiratory system. They respire by simple diffusion through their body surface. Planaria are acoelomate, and the space between the organ systems is filled with connective tissue called parenchyma. They have a distinct triangular head, two eye spots known as ocelli, which can only differentiate between dark and light, and a pair of auricles, which are chemoreceptors as well as sensitive to touch. The general body surface of planaria has ciliated epidermis and rod-like bodies known as rhabdites embedded in it. On the ventral surface is an adhesive zone which helps the flatworm to adhere to the substratum. Locomotion of planaria is through cilia, which shows gliding movement and is assisted by slippery mucus. The muscular contraction of their body also helps in the rhythmic and progressive movement from the anterior end to the posterior end. The alimentary canal consists of a mouth located in the middle of the ventral side of the body, a muscular pharynx, a proboscis, and an intestine. It functions as a gastrovascular cavity with only one opening. The free-living forms of planaria are scavengers or predators. The body of planaria has pluripotent stem cells which help the planarians to regenerate. Excretory system consists of protonephridia or flame cells. Posterior to the mouth is a small genital pore. The nervous system is composed of a bilobed brain and two ventral nerve cords that reach the tip of the tail. Gonads are within the body and are connected to the exterior by accessory organs. Most flatworms are monoecious and fertilization is internal. By the way, if you're getting some value out of this video, please like and share this video so that all of us can learn, unlearn, and relearn together. Also, please consider subscribing the channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification of all the upcoming videos. Next, let us look into the structure of the body wall of planaria. The body wall has a well-developed muscular system consisting of layers of circular, longitudinal, and diagonal muscles close to the epidermis. The epidermis is single-layered, thick, ciliated, and cuboidal. In between the epidermal cells are present certain sensory cells and mucous gland cells. Rod-like bodies called rhabdites are secreted by rhabdite gland cells located in the mesenchyme. Rhabdites move to the epidermis and secrete a slimy substance to the exterior. They dissolve in water, become tasteless for the animals who prey on the worms, and thereby play a defensive role. Below the epidermis are present granules and pigments. The epidermal cells rest on a basement membrane, which is followed by the muscle layers. Mesenchyme is found in between the internal organs and body wall. It is a connective tissue which acts as a type of skeleton with many nuclei and free mesenchyme cells. They help to transport digested food and excrete waste from the body. Next, let us understand about the digestive system of Planaria. Digestive system is incomplete and possesses only a single opening for their digestive process. Both intracellular and extracellular digestion occur in Planaria. The alimentary canal consists of mouth, pharynx, and intestine. Mouth is situated on the ventral side behind the middle of the body. It aids both in ingestion and digestion. The mouth leads into a thick-walled cylindrical pharynx. The pharynx can be protruded through the opening of the mouth as a proboscis. The attached end of the pharynx leads into a three-branched intestine. The branches of the intestine give out many lateral extensions called diverticula, which increases the surface area for digestion, absorption, and distribution of food. The pharynx secretes slimy substance from the mucous glands and also rhabdites to entangle the food. The everted pharynx surrounds the food and the digestive juices act upon it. Extracellular digestion takes place and the food is swallowed. Mesenchyme helps to transport digested food. Undigested food is ejected through the mouth. Next, let us study about the excretory system of Planaria. Planaria have a set of tubules called protonephridia with specialized cells called flame cells. Tubules are connected into branch structures that lead to minute pores present all around the sides of the body. There are two pairs of longitudinal trunks, one pair on each side of the body. It then passes through the mesenchyme of the entire body. The flame cells excrete waste and regulate osmotic balance. These cells have a cluster of cilia which propel waste through the tubules and out of the body with the help of excretory pores called nephridiopores that open on the body surface. Now, let us understand about the nervous system of Planaria. The nervous system of Planaria consists of a bilobed cerebral ganglion which forms the brain. The brain is made up of connecting transverse fibers and nerve cells. Longitudinal ventral nerve cords extend from the brain to the tail. The internal branches form commissures. The brain and the two longitudinal nerve cords form a ladder-like structure. Two sense organs of Planaria are the eyes and the auricles. The eyes are cup-shaped dark spots present on the anterior dorsal surface. They have many sensory cells which are sensitive to light. A few sensory cells are found in groups at the sides of the head, lacking cilia and rhabdite cells. They are known as the auricles, which are sensitive to touch and chemicals. Next, we shall learn about the reproductive system of Planaria. Planaria can reproduce both asexually and sexually. Asexual reproduction takes place by transverse fission. The individual constricts, divides into two parts, and each part grows and regenerates the missing parts. Hermaphrodite planarians can reproduce by sexual means. Both the sexes are present in the same organism. Male sex organs are the testes located in the parenchyma. Each testis is connected to two longitudinal ducts, vas deferens, through a small slender thin-walled duct, the vas efferens. Vas deferens form seminal vesicles and converge to form the penis. This opens into genital atrium and finally into genital pore. Female sex organs are the ovaries, located near the eye spot, a tubular oviduct which joins the genital atrium, and numerous vitelline glands or yolk glands. These glands supply nutrients to the eggs. There are a number of testes but only one or two ovaries. During copulation, the two worms come together by their ventral surfaces. Sperms from one worm are transferred to the seminal receptacle of the recipient worm through the penis. Fertilization is internal. Fusion of egg and sperm takes place in the seminal receptacle, and the fertilized egg gets mingled with yolk cells from yolk glands. It develops inside the body. The fertilized eggs are shed in capsules or cocoons through the genital pore. Later, fully developed young worms develop directly without metamorphosis. Finally, we shall learn about regeneration in Planaria. Planaria has great power of regeneration. It can easily develop and replace the missing parts of the body. Specialized stem cells called neoblasts are uniformly distributed throughout the body and play a key role in the process of regeneration. Neoblasts comprise of pluripotent stem cells which can generate new cells. Regeneration consists of two processes, namely epimorphosis, which is concerned with the formation of lost parts, morphollaxis, which is concerned with the adjustment and coordination between the old tissues and the newly formed tissues. When a planaria is cut into several pieces, each piece is capable of growing into a complete organism. So today, we have learnt in detail about external features of planaria, its internal structure, digestive system, excretory system, nervous system, reproductive system, and also about its power of regeneration. I have some practice questions for you. Please share your answers in the comment section below. You can pause the video and write down the questions if you like. Thank you so much for your time and participation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing the channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification of all the upcoming videos. Also, if you want to discuss any particular topic in biology, please mention that in the comments section below. I'll see you there. Goodbye. All the best.